This is a different one. Order in the court, okay? Order in the court. I don't want to call this person a crybaby, but we're just going to see what they're talking about. Welcome to the court of my public opinion. You already know what time it is. You write me. I give you my honest opinion. Don't look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you. I can't represent you because, you're not giving me enough information to go off of. So that's why I don't call this legal advice, okay? And I can't just represent you because you wrote me. That's not the way it works. But I will give you my honest opinion and brew to an honest opinion. That's the same opinion that I give my clients and myself, okay? That's just the truth. And take it with a grain of salt. It comes from my heart. Sometimes it's better to be direct than it is for me to just tap-toe, tip-tap, and play around with the answers to these questions. Without further ado, I'm going to bring you to the court of my public opinion. Let's get it crack-a-lack and let's go. Can I sue my doctor for calling me young and stupid in front of support staff? I was getting a procedure done. After receiving my meds through my IV, they all pushed me to the back, including my doctor. She called me young and stupid twice because I have tattoos all over my body, girl. Sorry, sweetheart. Can you sue your doctor for calling you doctor? Listen, you're underneath meds. See, so you kind of started this out in a way that I don't know if that's what the doctor said. Because you're underneath in the influence. And if they're putting it in your IV, it's pretty hot and heavy. Okay? I don't know if the doctor said that for real. And I don't know if they called you young and stupid because you have tattoos all over your body. And I don't know if they said that thinking your butt was sleep, girl, and you wasn't sleep. If you believe that something was done to you that's improper or unethical or something like that, you're going to have to deal with that person's licensing agency, the agency that holds their license. But, girl, did it hurt your feelings that bad? You really want to end somebody's life because they called you young and stupid because you got tattoos all over yourself? What do they look like? Do they look good? Are they jailhouse tattoos? I mean, I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but why do you need to stop your whole life because somebody said you was young and stupid? Because, girl, there's somebody else going to call you young and stupid later. Okay? Now, if the doctor didn't fall below their level of care or the nurses didn't fall below their level of care for calling you that, I think you really should just go home and cry in the pillow and be over it. Or either write them and call them dumb and stupid, or why the hell didn't you say something back right then, bitch? I'm not stupid. Your mama is. Something like that. I would have done something like that because if you had done something, they'd be like, oh my God, she hurt us. I'd rather them have some sleepless nights, okay, than try to do some sort of lawsuit where there's no damages because I don't see any damages. Now, you can argue that you were emotionally, traumatized, but I don't know how you're going to argue that. So you probably just should have woke up and said, if you heard it, you probably should have said something if you were able to so that they could have been sleepless in Seattle and not knowing whether you were going to file a complaint, okay? But you can always file a complaint. Now, I tell people this all the time. File what you want to file, but know that karma is a bitch. So, if you are filing false complaints against people and messing with their license and trying to take them through hell because you upset about something else, karmatic influence will put this whole gavel up your behind. This is like pretty big, and it'll go right up and shove right up your butt. So you have to be very careful when you're doing things and trying to hurt people. We know that hurt people, but is it that serious? Next case. You're a little bit of a crybaby. Just go ask your mama. Next case.
Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.